girl who said, "I want to marry him," is the same person accused of ending the life of her fiancé. A wedding was just months away. The relationship looked completely normal on the surface. But just days before the ceremony, Ketan Agarwal was found dead inside a deep gorge near Pune's Lohargarh Fort in western India. Now, the girl in question, Sia, is the prime accused. So what really happened here, and what do we know about the case so far? Let's decode this. The death of Ketan Agarwal, a 26-year-old businessman, was initially treated as an accident during a trek. But as police investigated further, the story took a darker turn. His fiancée, Sia Goyal, now stands accused, along with Chetan Chaudhary, of allegedly plotting his murder and pushing him to his death. A love story has now become a murder investigation. Now, according to Sia's parents, the marriage was arranged with full consent from both families. Her mother says Sia was repeatedly asked before the engagement whether she liked Ketan, whether she wanted to marry him, and each time she allegedly said yes. She even told her mother, "I like everything and I want to marry him." The family insists that there were no warning signs, no hesitation, no visible conflict, and no indication of another relationship. Ketan, they say, had even grown close to the family and was treated like one of their own. But everything changed after June 18th. Ketan died after falling into a gorge. What was first treated as an accident soon turned into a murder investigation. Police allege that Sia and Chetan Chaudhary conspired together and pushed Ketan off the cliff. Both of them were later arrested and the case remains under active investigation. But then there was a twist. Both the accused are now blaming each other, say police. Sia claims that Chetan was the one who initiated or moved the plan forward. But Chetan's version flips it. He claims it was Sia who planned the murder and got him involved in it. Two statements, two completely opposite narratives. One crime, and in the middle of it all is the story of Ketan. Reports suggest he had asked for a background check on Sia multiple times. He reportedly felt something was amiss, that Sia spent too much time on her phone. He had expressed concerns within his circle as well, yet the engagement still went ahead. That detail now adds a chilling layer to the case, because if true, it raises one haunting question. Was there already a warning, and did it go unheard? So here is what we have so far. A wedding that never happened. A trekking accident that was actually a murder. And a case where every version of the truth pulls in different directions. Was it really an accident, or a calculated betrayal hidden in plain sight? This question now defines the Ketan Agarwal case. Police are trying to recreate the crime scene at Pune's Lohargarh Fort, and the investigation is still unfolding. Beyond decodes complex issues in simple language. What do you want us to decode next? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned.